What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over our friend Polygon. Currently we're sitting at 89 cents. We're up 6.2 on the day, sitting market cap of 7.75 billion. 24-hour volume 426 million. Pop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So the bullish wave count is that we're putting in a regular ABC correction. We've come down in a wave 4, and now we're starting to push up in a wave 5. It's a possibility, but I don't think it's likely. But if we do come up and break these highs, then we can complete a 5-wave move to the upside. So potentially we've come up in a wave 1. We've seen a wave 2 pullback. Looks like we're already starting to put in a 1, 2, potential wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete the wave 3, see the wave 4 pullback, and a final wave 5 to put in a higher high, to complete a larger 5-wave move, to complete a large wave 1, which would be relatively bullish for Matic, but I still think that there's one more wave down, and the wave count that I'm looking at is that this was a wave 4 pullback, some sort of WXY correction, and now we're coming down, going to come down in a wave 5. And potentially we've come down in a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback, and then we see continuation to the downside. We are forming, it's really ugly, a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern. So if this neckline is broken here at about 74.749, 75 cents, then that head and shoulders could play out, and that would give more confidence of us coming down in a wave 3 to the downside. But if we do push up and break these highs, then potentially we could complete a 5-wave move for our friend Matic. We did break down from this ascending channel with the technical target all the way down at the bottom of the channel here. We are currently holding support. We found support right here as well, which was at about 83 cents. Previous resistance, now flipped to support. So we'll see. We might put in a little bit of a double top. Looks like we might put in a little bit of a bearish divergence here on the 4-hour chart. But if we do come up and break these highs, that's when we can see a push to retest about $1.03 for our friend Matic. But we'll see what happens with Bitcoin. If we get rejected by 21.5, or if we push a little bit higher. If we do push all the way up to 23.7, that might give the opportunity for Matic to put in a higher high. We'll see what happens. Even if we do come up and create a double top for Matic, I still think there's one more wave down in the market, and Bitcoin could easily come down to about 11 to 13K, which I do think would bring Matic down to a strong level support around 18 to 20 cents. If I scroll out here, this is the bullish wave count, but your next strong level support's at about down here at about 18 to 20 cents, this little cluster right here, and about 25 cents where we came up and hit resistance for our friend Matic. The bullish wave count is that we've completed a 5-wave structure from the previous bear market. We put in an irregular ABC correction, and we bottomed out, and we're putting in a 5-wave move to the upside. And then we're going to look to come down in a wave 2, where we've come up in a 5-wave move, completing a wave 1. And then you see a wave 2 pullback, and then boom, huge continuation up in a wave 3, but I don't think it's a likely scenario. The scenario I'm looking at is a wave 4 pullback and one more wave down, and potentially we've come down in a wave 1. We're seeing a wave 2 pullback before we come down in a wave 3, but we could have confirmation of the bullish scenario if we can come up and break the previous highs at about $1.04. Even if we start to push up in a wave 3, and then you see a wave 4 pullback followed by a bounce, then that could be more confirmation of completing a 5-wave move to complete the wave 5 to the upside for our friend Matic. All right, guys, that's about it for this one. If you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit, the best exchange for trading in my opinion. 4,000 deposit blast off for 13 more days, $30 welcome gifts, up to $4,500 in bonuses, 0 fees on all spot trades till December 31st. Pretty awesome. And we also have a Discord community of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. $10 a month, you can get my exact entries, exits, and profits for my for my spot trades, for my leverage trades. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt position. You can sign up to the Patreon link if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, check out my full length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love, take care.